Hey, Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2019 Ford Transit van. Very popular van for service people. They're really convenient, small to get around, especially if you got to go into the city. Makes it easier to park and get in and out. Plus it gives you the opportunity to have your tools inside of them and keep everything safe and secure. Unfortunately, with this particular vehicle, customer called in and said, hey, my van just kind of quit moving today while I was on the job. I said, okay, we'll have it towed in. We'll take a look at it and see what's going on. Got it here, started fine. We were actually able to drive it into the shop to take a look at it and see what's going on. Hooked the scan tool up to it, and sure enough, there's a bunch of ratio codes in the transmission indicating that there was an internal issue inside the transmission. Advised them that we would need to get the transmission rebuilt to take care of the issue. They said go ahead and do it. Went ahead and got a rebuilt transmission for it, stuck it in there, made sure all the fluid levels were correct, got it on the road, drove it down the road, put some miles on it to make sure everything was in shape, let them know that it was ready to go. Unfortunately, these types of things do happen, especially when vehicles start to get some higher mileage on them. So if you have a vehicle that's having an issue driving, or it seems to be doing some strange things when you're going down the road and you're not quite sure what's going on with it, we do offer free estimates, so feel free to give us a call. My name is Dan. Look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people can get this information.